सबसे पहले मैं हूँ आपके प्रिय ड्रामेबाज देवांगना एंड दिस इज माय को-होस्ट जो मेरी ड्रामेबाजी में मेरा साथ देगी एवरी फ्राइडे, दैट इज वरुण. So ladies and gentlemen, please presenting Pooja Bhatt live on #Fame.
There she is.
And guys, guess what? This is what we look like really on camera. You know what I mean? This is not. This is no Snapchat filter. If you're ready for more tooth bite in reality, please stay tuned. If you want lies, if you want fakeness, if you want some me to present a me that's not me, please go elsewhere. And I say that with lots of love.
That's exactly what the show is all about.
अभी हमने पूजा क्या किया, कैबरे मूवी का जो टीजर आया था लोगों को यहाँ पे दिखाया लाइव.
We showed them.
We have showed them this teaser out there. So we have lot of reactions out there.
Have come out.
Lots of. But before that,
Give me the bad first. I like the bad first and I like the best last.
oh, is it like that?
तो हम भट्ट हैं. जब भी हमारी फिल्म फ्लॉप होती है हम पहले चीख चीख के बोलते हैं कि हमने चूक की है. We have failed and we have made a flop. Because then we can get up and we can brush ourselves up and we can walk even taller. Because lose we will. Fail we will. In this business you have to fail. And if you think you're not going to, if you can't handle it, then darling, just pick up your knitting needles and make somebody a sweater instead.
Let's start with the reactions.
Yes, we have a lot of reactions out here. Air Roy Video, you are looking very gorgeous.
Oh, who's the one? The person who gave me this big kiss?
Yeah, the one.
Big kiss back.
There you get a kiss back.
Yes, there are a lot of jhakas and a lot of stickers that are coming up, a lot of kisses for you. And there was someone who said, please change the poster. Like we would like to show them the poster once again. The movie Cabaret.
Meaning,
We showed this to them.
So are you bored of this? Do you want to see more images, or do you or do you not like this? I'm trying to understand that.
Yeah.
Please,
So
please,
give
please let us
reactions
know.
and suggestions on that.
Please let us know.
Because we learn from you and we
Yes.
want to know exactly what is it that you want.
So we want to ask Pooja, ki Richa, why only Richa for this role?
Because I needed an actor. See, to take a glamorous woman and make her act is not very easy. We've done it in the past, I know.
Yeah.
But this movie could not be made with Sunny Leone. This movie needed Richa Chadda. It's a story of a girl from Jharkhand who goes through very harrowing situations, sees somebody get killed in front of her eyes, and then how violence changes her and makes her the person that she is. So I needed a girl who looked like she had a certain journey. And I think that with Richa, I yet again celebrate a different kind of woman after Bipasha Basu in Jisim.
Right.
Even Udita Goswami in Paap.
Absolutely.
Unusual looking girl. I cast her the way she was. And I see that Richa Chadda for me is the new fantasy. I mean, to hell with size 0 for God's sake.
Yes. Guru Sharan is asking what kind of message Cabaret says to audience.
Cabaret basically tells people simply this, that in my movies, my women are not victims. They never are.
Super.
They never are. They might fall, they might flounder, they might fail. But they will get up and they will move on. And I think what Cabaret finally is saying is that, hey, don't take life so seriously. Just come on and celebrate it for a change.
Shifa is asking, are there any men in the film?
I believe very strongly that my women in the audience need more eye candy than the men in the audience too. Which is why I give you John Abraham in this film. Which is why I give you Randeep Hooda the way he is in
Oh
Jisim too.
God, yes.
You know, even Dino Moria and Holiday. I mean, I make sure that my women come out as satiated because, come on, isn't that more than fair? So
Very
we have the gorgeous, I can say, Gulshan Devaiya, who I've cast in this movie because he is a very fine actor.
But क्या उनकी movies के जो songs होते हैं, they're like super amazing, super fantastic,
Yes.
right? So I mean, कुछ you guys work specially on the songs.
I've learned from him one thing कि म्यूजिक जो है ना आप कान से नहीं सुनते, आप दिल से सुनते हैं. अगर आप म्यूजिक जो है कान से सुनेंगे तो फिर बाकी लोगों के कान तक पहुंचेगी, दिल तक नहीं पहुंचेगी.
Amazing.
तो हम जो है म्यूजिक जो है अपने दिल से सुनते हैं, तो हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप नए कलाकार हैं कि आपने 600 पिक्चर की. अगर आप हमें छू लें एक धुन, मतलब कहीं गाकर, that's it.
Saloni is asking, when can we see you back on the screen? Please come back.
I did a movie at 19. And if in fact you even think act again, I mean, that's very kind of you, and I'm very, very grateful for that.
There was someone who wanted to see your tattoos. It was Vibhuti, I guess.
Vibhuti,
Vibhuti.
This is in German.
Wow.
It means, it converts to everything is a fairy tale.
Wow.
It's by the father of romanticism called novelist. These are my birth symbols because each day of the year has a different symbol to kind of denote them. So I'm a
That's
Piscean
so
ruled by Venus and Neptune. Complicated. Then this is Latin. This is by Nietzsche. Have you ever heard of Nietzsche? And it says Amor Fati, which is love your fate, for it is life.
Wow.
And this says CARPEDIEM, Carpe Diem.
Yeah.
And the joke in my friend circle is that if a man does not know what it means, then he can't ask you out, Pooja. So, and over here I have my Maori dolphin.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
Now,
nice.
now,
Now, please don't ask her like that. You know, we can actually
Thank
stop,
you.
right?
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is for the first ever time you're going to be watching Pooja Bhatt doing I Shapat.
What the hell is this?
This is the sort of Gita that we have.
क्या
All right. इसके ऊपर आपको हाथ रख के कसम खानी है.
आज शपथ मैं जो भी कहूंगी सच कहूंगी और सच के
सिवा कुछ नहीं. She's not been watching all those movies, no?
नहीं, she's been watching. She's not used to it. कि मैं तो सच ही बोलती हूँ. उसकी जरूरत नहीं.
All right, you don't need this. All right, so now we have this thing. शपथ यहाँ पे हो चुकी है. So the first question to you is, you've ever caught by a cop? If yes, then what's the reason?
Yeah, no, I've never been caught by cops. I've kind of walked happily into a police station when necessary, but I've never been caught by cops.
Oh, all right. Would you ever enter into the politics?
I don't know. I might.
Nice.
Not because I want power, because I feel that I have an opinion. I'm unafraid to voice that opinion and stick to my opinion.
The gossip that you hated about you, if you actually believe the gossip.
I just detested gossip where they wouldn't verify me. Stardust put a picture of mine on a naked body and put it on the cover of their magazine and didn't mention that it was not me.
They put it on the cover.
Yeah, and because at that point the internet morphing was a fairly new phenomenon. So I had everybody from a Mahila Mandal to the Commissioner of Police send me a notice saying that you have posed naked. I said, I have not posed naked. I wish this was my body, but it's not. In my fantasy, this is my body.
Oh.
In reality, it's not. But I had to go and explain to them, and then a lot of news channels did stories explaining how morphing is done, where you can take somebody's head and whatever. So that caused me some pain. And then once there was a bizarre rumor about me being a heroin addict, and somebody was asking like, heroin addict? Why heroin? Oh, because she's so happy all the time.
We have something there with us,
What?
and which is going to be matching your attire that you're
Completely.
I hope it fits my head. It might not fit my head.
wearing. No, it will for sure.
I have the largest circumference in terms of head size. You see, so when I was an actor, जब ये wigs बनते थे ना हमारे लिए, only Shilpa Shetty's wigs I could borrow because she had a big mass of hair.
Oh, God.
She's got loads of hair.
Yeah,
ना, तो
yeah.
packing करते तब otherwise nobody's wigs used to fit me. So either you can say my brain was the largest. I'd like to believe that, or you can.
So let's
say,
do it. Let's do it. Shreya first look dashing.
Yes, we do.
Oh gosh, she's looking
She's
so
obviously-
super
I'm wearing
gorgeous.
these glasses because I'm blind in my eyes and I'm not wearing a lens, by the way, so I would look completely like Lalita Pawarji if I put my glasses off, which is why I'm keeping them on. I'm not being a movie star saying like, oh, I can't approach you without my glasses or whatever.
Alright, so
Okay.
that's the thing.
So,
Alright.
so you know, a quick reason why this is happening is because it's a director's show. We're wearing the director's hat. There's going to be a very simple, quick round where it's going to be roll, action, and cut.
Yeah.
Roll is hug, action is the action, and cut is who would like to slice.
Okay.
Your co-actors, Akshay Kumar, Amir Khan, Ajay Devgan. Who would you roll? Who would you get action with? And who would you cut?
Cut.
Well, I would most certainly give Ajay Devgan a big hug and roll. I would most
Alright.
certainly want lots of action with Amir Khan because we had great chemistry together.
Amazing.
And as beautiful as Akshay Kumar is, unfortunately our movie didn't thank him out too much. So sorry Akshay.
Cut.
Not personal.
Next is about the three actors you've directed. John, Randeep, Dino. I know this is going to be tough.
I think that the most brave of the lot was John Abraham.
Wow.
Randeep Hooda, because he used his head and heart and gave me his heart.
Wow.
Used his head but gave me his heart. And Dino Moria, because the whole world and the aunties told me that he won't be able to dance to save his life, and he worked like a mule for 8 months, and he
did
proved
that
them
so
all
beautifully.
wrong. So
So
I would say roll to all three.
Oh.
Here are the three females that you want to action cut and roll. Sunny Leone, Richa Chadda, Vipasha Basu.
Starting going backwards,
Ji.
I would say Richa Chadda, because Richa Chadda believed in me and Cabaret completely. She
She's gonna be
came
golden.
in there, she didn't even hear the second half. I would say Sunny Leone, because she took up the challenge of doing a feature film. When the whole world and the aunties told her you have no business even trying to put your foot into mainstream entertainment, आप कौन सा रहे हैं, आप आपकी औकात में रहें.
True.
So she had the audacity to take it on, and with Bipasha, I think that again when she agreed to the role, she surrendered. But do I have an equation with her personally? Not at all.
And the last one, this can be anything. A yesteryear star that you had a major crush on. Major crush on. Who's not like a mainstream right
I mean,
now?
I grew up adoring. My first crush was Kunal Kapoor. My second was Sanjay Dutt. You look at somebody with stars in your eyes, and that was Sanjay Dutt.
Wow.
And I grew up in Pali Hill, and he would kind of drive around Pali Hill with that jeep with the top down, wearing a ganji with that hair. I mean, come on! It's the kind of stuff that teenage fantasies were made of, you know.
Absolutely.
So, ladies and gentlemen, inviting the director of the show, Kausal in the house.
Okay, he has to jump in here now.
Yes. This is your debut movie,
This
right?
is your hat.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the director's
The
hat.
director's
and
hat, yeah.
Welcome on the show.
Okay, we have a segment called as role play. Okay, being a director, being a movie producer, we want you to give a scene to us, both of us basically, I should say. The non-actors, we want to, see that thing.
आपको सीन ये करना है कि आप दोनों बार पे बैठे हैं
जी.
and you guys are having a drink
Okay.
and you are asking her questions about
Any fan moment question.
any fan moment question.
Like what advice would you give a newcomer?
would you
Whatever,
give?
any fan moment
Yes.
Oh,
question.
it's a fan moment question.
So how would you ask? She's a diva. You are a journalist. Stand by, please. Silence. Roll camera. Somebody say rolling.
Rolling.
And action.
आप अपने फैंस को कोई स्पेसिफिक संदेश देना चाहेंगी?
स्पेसिफिक संदेश टू माई फैंस, मेरे जितने भी लोग मुझे देखने आते हैं वो हमेशा मेरा डांस देख के हमेशा फ्लैटर होते हैं, राइट. एंड मैं उनको यही कहना चाहूँगी हमेशा कि जब भी आओ देखो, एंजॉय करो, एंटरटेनमेंट लो.
अभी ये सेम जो सेम शब्द आपने इस्तेमाल किया है, आप ये दिल से बोलेंगे. ये आप अपना जो अपने मास्क पहन के अभी आपने पहला जवाब दिया, अभी आप निकाल उतार के आप उनके साथ कनेक्ट करके, नॉट एज द आरजे दैट यू आर, एज अ वुमन कनेक्ट करके बात करेंगे.
So, Rosa, what is the message that you would like to give it to your audience? आप अपने फैंस को क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
मेरा डांस एक आर्ट है और जब भी मैं डांस करती हूँ तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुल के करती हूँ एंड महसूस करती हूँ कि लोग किस तरीके से एंटरटेनमेंट दे रही हूँ. सो इसी तरीके से मैं चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ आए, डांस देखें एंड अच्छा एंटरटेनमेंट लें.
That's a perfect day. Sorry my language. Sorry my language. You just saw the greatest example of that's it. कि दिल से बोलो, दिल तक पहुंचती है बात, मुंह से बोलो किसी के कान तक पहुंचेगी बात. This is it.
This is something a
Thank
very
you so much.
sweet token of love for you. We want you to open
Thank you
this.
so much.
May I repeat open here? Can you?
Yeah.
Magic Makers. You went live for the first time on Fame. Wow. Thank you so much for being part of our show, Magic Makers. Bollywood is a better place with people like you in it. Thank you very much. I'd like to believe that. Your bold way of filmmaking is time and again shaking things up around, and we hope you can do that in the future, Devangana and Balonde. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
That was loud.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
for
We'll see you next
watching.
Friday.
And see you next Friday out
Thank
there.
you
so much.